Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on a fitness tracker. And I'd like to thank the folks at YoYoFit for sending this out for our review. And well, I'd like to see what's going on inside this box, so let's get at it. Alright folks, so we're going to go ahead and check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box up, and this is how it's going to come to you from Amazon. Pretty much got all the information back here. It's got QR codes back here, you can scan into your phone and other interesting stuff. Okay, now to open it, let me see. Oh, okay, we can open it from the side. See what this looks like. So this comes off. Okay, so that. Oh, okay. So, oh, you gotta open it like this too. All right, let's do this. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. They got a little, question suggestion card here. All right, so you get in contact with the people that made this watch. All right, so what's inside of this stuff? I'm curious now. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oh, I see what this is. This looks like some sort of charger. This is my first guess right there. I haven't read any manuals or anything yet, but this is my first guess. Got me experiencing, how to mess with, I've been around gadgets for a while, and I can almost pretty much guess what an item is when I look at it. But yeah, this looks like a charger. That's cool. Alright. Put this aside. And, oh, it's in a nice pouch. Let's see what's inside the pouch here. I mean, the pouch itself is impressive. I mean, y'all should. I wish this had like touch vision or something. It's really soft. This is like really nice velvety pouch. I'm definitely impressed with that. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. I believe this is the watch itself, so let's get in here. And sure enough, it is. Oh, it's nice. Look at that, folks. It is definitely nice. Oh my. Let me open it up. I'll move the strap over. Take the strap off. Well, I'm not gonna take it off. I'm just gonna move it like this, so we can get a full view of the whole watch. Okay. That's it. And I can tell you the strap itself feels really nice and soft. So that's cool. I'm cool with that. And, ooh, let me take this off. It looks like some sort of plastic covering. Don't need this no more. Take this off of here. I believe those are the sensors that's in the back of here. And I noticed something else too. I believe that's where you charge it at. So I believe you go like this with this. From what it looks like, I believe you put this over here like this. And it fits over just like that. So that's your charger. Didn't even read the manual yet, and I'm pretty sure I guessed it right. But like I said, I'm going to read the manual, but I'm pretty sure this is the charger. And it's got a smiley face. Check that out. Like that. Alright. Well, I'm going to go ahead and read the instruction manual that came with this. And I'm going to find out more about this watch, and I'll get back at you in a moment. Well, after well, folks, after reading this manual, I've had to basically let this watch charge up for about an hour or two before we can use it. And as you can see, we got hooked up to a 5-volt charger, plugged it into one of these 5-volt chargers I had around the house, plugged it in there, and it's been like this for like an hour now. So now I'm going to, take it off the charge and turn this watch on. Alright, so let's do this. Oop, there it is. Alright. So this is the actual watch itself. And right now the date on it is wrong, but I gotta set it later on. But anyway, that's how you turn it on and everything. It's nice. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is basically, what I'm doing right now is pressing the button on the side here. Hold on tight to it. That turns it on. Now the face of the watch is touching. You can touch it, touch like the bottom of this thing. Just touch like the bottom and you can go through all the settings. Right now that's the walk-in tracker. Tracks how many steps you took. That. Just keep touching the bottom. You go through all the menu items that's on this watch. It's got all sorts of interesting stuff on here. Alright, that's the time, of course. That's the stepper. And I believe that's the sleep timer. That tracks how much sleep you have. Sleep you took, how long you slept. This measures your heart rate. This is the menu for the heart rate. And I believe that's the exercise training tracker right there. Okay, messages. Alright, that's interesting. Okay. Monitoring. Oh, that's check your oxygen level right there. Okay. Yeah, that right there is for oxygen level. Okay. I'm just going through all these interesting stuff. Oh, that's this right here. Use this to control the camera on your phone. You hook your phone. You hook your phone up to this via Bluetooth, and you can control your smartphone with the app that you install on it, and you can actually take pictures by hitting this, and it'll snap the shutter on your smartphone. Okay, that's cool. And that helps you play music on your smartphone. You just press on this and it'll play music on your smartphone. Of course, it's got to be hooked up by Bluetooth, of course. And what's that? Oh, that's interesting. Some other interesting stuff. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have some fun playing with this. As a matter of fact, in the next scene, we're actually gonna be outside with this and trying it out. Well, folks, I just realized that I need to set the time and stuff right on here, and the only way I better do that, let me turn this back on. There we go. The only way I better set the time and everything right on here is that I have to download the app for this first. So what I'm going to do, after reading this manual, they basically want you to download this app right here. It's called YoYoFit or YoYoFit. So I'm gonna download that app. So I got on my Android phone, I got the App Store up and running. I'm going to look for YoYoFit. So YoYoFit. Oops, I'm spelling it wrong. YoYoFit. There we are. There it is right there. I was about to spell it. There it is. So that's the app we want. I'm going to install it. Now we need to make sure also that the Bluetooth settings is on. So while it's doing that, I'm going to turn the Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is on. So now the Bluetooth settings is on. And it's installing. Give it a few moments. Doesn't take long to install at all. This is on your Android device, by the way. Okay. So now I'm going to hit this. It's also, for understand, yeah. It says compatible with Apple phones too. So that's interesting. Okay. It's probably the same app in your app store on the iPhone too. So look that up. It's called YoYoFit, by the way. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, I gotta set my stuff up. Well, yeah. Well, let me set my year though. You know, basically gotta set up your stuff first before you be able to use it. And that's what I'm doing right now. And of course, I'm gonna leave it like this for now, because I'm trying to hurry up and set the phone up. You gotta allow it to access your stuff on your phone, so hit allow. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna hit the add button right here. This allows you to add the watch to the app. So that's what we're going to do right now. And as you notice inside the app itself, you got steps, got sleep, outdoor running. I haven't added a device yet, so I'm going to go ahead and add one. Okay. Going right back inside the app. I'm doing something wrong. Let's get back to where I was at before. I got paired to the app first, so I'm gonna hit this. It found it. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Oh, okay. Well, it found two devices. But the one we want is this one right here, the one we got. Somebody must got a fitness tracker somewhere nearby. But I'm not pairing up with that. I'm going to pair up with the one I got right here, which is this right here. So I'm pairing up with this. It's pairing up. And I think it's connected now. So now we'll go through fixing it up. So when you notice that we had on the screen there, automatically it fixed everything. Look at that. Hold on, let's get back to the menu. That's the accurate time we got right now. So when we paired it with the phone, the app itself fixed everything else in the watch. And now that's the accurate date and accurate time right there. So you definitely got to download the app, put it on your phone first to get the clock settings right on here. Oh, okay, cool. So I'm gonna go through the menu items again since it's paired up now. Okay. Still haven't counted any steps yet because I haven't worn it yet. So some other settings. Other settings. That's the weather setting right here. But I gotta set that. It's not 31 degrees here. It's So I gotta set that on here, on the app itself, to set it on here. Oh, cool. All right, let's get back to the watch face part. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna look at watch. I'm gonna go through the list that says watch faces just to be curious. All right, this is the different watch faces you can put on the watch itself. Now that's the one it has on there now. So what I'm going to purposely do is click on this. All right, that's the one I just chose. Now let's see if it changed already. Well, you know, see that? So that's how you change the watch face. Oh, that's cool. Like that. Alright. So I'm going to try this watch face down here. I'm going to hit on that one. Okay. This one has more readouts on it. So let's see what it looks like now. Whoa, look at that, folks. It's got all the readouts on here. It's even counting down the seconds. You see that? Now you probably thinking to yourself, man, the face don't stay on too long. That's actually a battery saving feature. You want this watch to last as long as possible, and the only way that can ensure that is if it don't use that much power to begin with. So yes, that's a battery saving feature right there. The only time you should really be looking at the face is when you actually tap on this, and then you can see what you need to see. Then after that, the face should go off, and boom, there you're good to go. So this should last you the whole day on a charge without no problem. That's cool. I love this. I really like this. I am so anxious to go outside with this and walk around with it now. So you know what? That's exactly what we're going to do. Stay tuned. Well, folks, I took this watch out for a spin. As you can see there, it's got a real nice face on it, as you can see. And like I said, it's a pretty nice watch. Fitness tracker and such. It counted all my steps and everything. Let me give you a little close up here. Maybe you can see it. Yep, that's all the info it's got on the screen. I changed the face to that earlier, as you saw earlier in the video. And basically, in this setting, it shows all any information that you need on one screen. So I like that feature. You can also change the face through the app that you have to download for this, so you can change it any way you want. And I like that feature also. And like I said, it feels really good on the wrist and everything. I mean, I can wiggle this around all day and not worry about it coming off. So that's also wonderful too. And the fact that you can just recharge it with that charger we saw earlier, the way we saw the way we did it, and that was cool. You can take that anywhere and charge it as long as you have a 5-volt adapter to plug that USB port to. That's cool. So, I mean, I love it. I know I'm just keep going on and on. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video, so you can get this wonderful watch and see for yourself. So, thank you for watching, and have a great day.